everyone, welcome back to the channel. Oh, I've got some great stuff for you guys today, and I'm in the mood to share. So fixing to make some videos, and well, the first one's going to start off with a little motor winding. We're going to go from there to, oh, what are you doing, Tommy? We're going to go from there, motor winding, build, phase structure. Oh, you know what I will do in this video first and foremost? Let's sit down and draw some stuff out. Doesn't that sound great? Oh, hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I found out that 90% of the views that I get are not from subscribers. So on another note, if you don't hit the bell up there, then you won't get notified of any of my videos when they post. So again, then you'll be left out of the loop, and so. Alright, let's straighten those things out real quick and continue watching. And you can come back to the video. But let's get started. Sorry. And by let's get started, I mean, let me go ahead and show you how to wind all three phases. Now, I'm not going to tell you how many strands or how long or what the material is or anything like that. That's for sale. And you'll see as soon as the end of the video gets here. Probably won't have it in, probably won't have it in the end of this video, this motor running. But you guys have seen the other things that I've done. It's just this one here is unlike anything anyone has ever built. So what I'm doing is I start here and I'm winding this way. Actually, let me turn it so to be correct. Okay, so start here. Okay, I go in and I wind it this way 9 times. It comes out and it goes to the next one, and it comes in and it winds the opposite way 9 times. It comes out and it goes back to the original, just like this one. It goes in right here on this side, and it's wrapped 9 times. It comes out, and I'm going to continue doing that all the way around. And then when I get to the next wire, which is going to be the middle phase, so that'll be, oh wait, no, that's not this one. That will be this one. You know, let me turn some extra light on. Get this showing. There we go. Alright. So, I'm going to get it to zoom in. And I guess I got to turn that off. Yeah, there we go. See, it just looks like part of the winding. So, let me do it like this. Yeah. There we go. Now you can see that there is actually way different than anything anyone's ever built. You notice there's different types of wires, different materials. So this one is copper and aluminum. And again, I will share these links afterwards and tell you everything about it. But this, oh wow. Okay. So anyways, it is 6 strands, 6 strands, 6 strands. Okay, I'll give you that much. There's 9 wraps on each pole here. It's going to be 3 wires, 3 phases. And there are 12 poles per phase. So there's 36 poles on this stator. And I won't be mounting that to any plastic junk. I will be mounting it directly to piece of iron, because I know for certain this is not going to break. Plus, I could manipulate some eddy currents and stuff with this, because it will have some inductance properties. But anyways, back to it. You can see exactly as I said. It comes in. See, comes out here, over to here, and then winds the opposite way, and then back to the original. So what I'm going to do is, here's one winding. It goes in, starts here to the next pole, goes this way to the next pole, and then goes this way. And it'll end up going all the way back to the end, and the very last one will go this way and come out, because the very beginning one was this way. So it will be a perfect arrangement of the magnetic field. And I adjusted everything. So all of the flaws are taken out of the motor. There are no more eddy current, Lenz's law flaws, anything like that. No problems whatsoever. If it does build up resistance, it will be just because of the center phase. My hope is that I do get a little bit of energy consumption out of it, so that I can build that consumption up and power a lot stronger with it. But anyways, yeah, what do you mean you want to be able to consume the energy? Yeah, I want it to be centrifugal. No. As far as vortex-based mathematics go, it would go off of that and be mathematically, magnetically perfect, or tuned. A perfect magnetic field inside of another perfect magnetic field inside of another perfect magnetic field. So I have 3 perfect magnetic fields. I only need one of those. The other 2 are going to be more of an output than what that one would be. Now, like I said, I could put the rotor on it and use any one of these phases to just run the motor off of that. And I could use, AC from the wall. I wouldn't have to pulse width modulate anything. I wouldn't have to restore the energy into something else and release it out of there at a certain frequencies, pushing and pulling, nothing like that. So let me show you what is in store for you guys now that we've covered all of the motor basics. I will be creating a solid state. Yes, that is correct. One field winding goes this way, one field winding goes the other way. This is a transformer with bipolar coils right here. Here's your input, your primary, here's your secondary, and that's how they recommend, zoom in, there we go. Yeah. This is how they recommend wiring it. So you put 100 volts in and you can get 480 out if you put the 2 center taps together, dead short the bipolar coils. And it actually will, this transformer works with Lenz's law. So you have your primary here. I know this is not the best primary. This is not the best secondary neither. This is the very first stage. Okay, so if you copied this circuit and put 2 more circuits, if I had 3 transformers here, then I could turn the first transformer into the right leg, the middle transformer into the center tap, and the transformer on the left into... Oh, shit! Dude, Tommy, why would you say that stuff on it? Anyways, so all the high voltage is going to do is be rectified and go right back to storage as direct current. Now that can be released out of that high voltage at any voltage you want. Of course, everyone knows that. And since there is such a potential in the homemade storage container for the electricity, that I'm going to also sell on my website, which is just about done. It's almost done. Got videos on there. Oh God, we're so close here. So I'm gonna teach everyone and get safe all at the same time. I'm gonna build all these, and then I'm gonna hide them all again. No, they won't be like yours, buried under your porch, your grandpa's porch, or something like that. Then why did you spend so much building all this crap? And then you're so amazed. Why wasn't I amazed? Anyways, okay, so got lots of stuff to do. I'm a little bit irritated. I mean, I'm having a great day. I'm a little bit irritated. The way people let things take them over, and and just yeah. So I love you guys. No matter what, we're gonna keep this going, because you guys didn't let this stuff flop. You guys didn't give up on me. And everything I make shall be beautiful. Here is my zinc. Here is my home-drawn, homemade superconductor. This is black gold rubies. I mean, it doesn't make sense, I know. It's rubies, kind of in between rubies and diamonds, but it's like black. It's made from like black gold substrate. Never mind, I won't be able to explain it. This is my blue gold. This is all that's left. You can see there's a gallon here, but my goodness, oh my goodness, there is just a small fine layer on the bottom, but that's all right, because there is one only who can make the blue gold, and I did it yesterday. No one else can make it. Let me show this to you. I wanted to see it in the grass. I can't really get a good view of everything. So hopefully this is checking everything out. But this right here is one of a kind. I'm the only one that can make this that I know of. This, this is something that there's a lot of people out there making, and this is very old. That's why it's such a dark color. It's not such, it's not very pink anymore. Wise and wisdom. You drink the water off the top of this, and it gives you magic, and you also cry. So I don't sell my products. Now this, the blue gold, I might very well be up for selling this. We'll see. I'm gonna see how it turns out, and it is going to be a limited supply, and I'll make probably a gallon or two to keep for myself. That way I have some for the rest of my life, however long that shall be. I hope this video footage turns out good. So here we have a neutral background. See if I can get some. Get to the other side here. Yeah, I know. So, honestly, just about out. Alright. Just about out of red. So, definitely beautiful. I still got to rinse this. You can drink this right out of the jar though. Alright. This is gold hydrochloride. This is what everyone can make. You can mix this and make other stuff as well with it, but anyways, long video. Love you guys. You guys please show your support, at least for the next day or two, because as soon as this website goes up, I should have enough funding from the video footage sales that won't have to worry about the fact that someone posted my address in Oklahoma to the internet. But no big deal. Crazy stuff. So I love you guys. I will see you soon, and the video footage of the motors and stuff are online. They're gonna be they're gonna be up real soon. So alright, no more splicing videos, gotta go. See you soon.